Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa radiallahu ta'ala anha narrated that once a large number of villagers from the Arabian countryside came to serve the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. They gathered around him and took him towards their camp. The Muhajirin stood up and began to clear the way for the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. In this way, they reached the doorstep of Hazrat Aisha's house. The villagers also reached close to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He handed over his cloak to them and swiftly proceeded towards the entrance of the house. He entered and said, "May Allah's curse be upon them." Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa radiallahu ta'ala anha expressed her concern, "O Messenger of Allah, they are ruined now." The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam replied, "O daughter of Abu Bakr, no, I have kept a condition with my Lord, that I am a human and I get distressed by the same things that common people get distressed by. Now if a Muslim faces trouble due to my words, then I'll make amends for him." Musnad Ahmad Hadith number 23664.